we're going to do a makeover in our room, our bedroom. We're going to take this carpet up. It's been down here probably over 30 years. And we're going to take it up. We're going to put a new bed in here. We're going to have a sleep number bed put in. And I'm so happy about that. So, we're going to get this carpet up. So this is what we're doing today. One section up, looks like we got another piece of carpet underneath. So I got more carpet to bring up. But we got this much done. I got to tackle another one. We're making progress. Lordy mercy. But we getting her done, as my son says. Well, we got it up. Now we got to do some sweeping. Because, got a lot of sand under here. So now we got a sweep mop. Goodness. We got this part progress done. Alright, we have gotten a lot done today. I have vacuumed. Whew. Still got to clear the bed off. But oh my goodness. So much has been done. But this is all we're going to do for today. We got to take a break. But except we're going to rest and we're going to clear the bed. Still got this part here to do. Still got more to do, but it's going to have to be another day. We'll get back at it tomorrow, but you know, us old folks, we got to rest. Well, we got quite a bit done. Still got to get over there. Got to get the dresser. But we're working on it. So we'll continue later on. Alright, we got more of the carpet up. Whew, it's been a job. But we're getting there. We still got this here to do. We got it cut. We got this side here up. But oh my goodness. It's been a job. But we're getting there. Oh, we still got where the dresser is and here at the foot of the bed. Got some of it cut, but we still got to get the sides here. We got this dresser here. We got to pull that carpet there off. But we're getting there. I'll put some aerial rugs or runners over here. But oh, it's been a job. But we've been plugging along. Well, we got that carpet up. Now I gotta sweep. We're making progress. We still got this dresser to get. We have it made. We're getting there. Alright, let me do some sweeping. Oh, you can tell we've been doing some working. Whew. This room's tore all upside down. Oh, Lord. Okay. We got the dresser pulled out. We got the carpet out. Whew, now to clean up. And get the dresser slid back over. Oh, Lord, it's been a job. Whew. My goodness. We have worked. My goodness. That's a lot of work. But we're getting her done. Whew. Anyhow, we're working hard. But we got the carpet up. Plugging away. Alright, they are here to bring my new bed, and we're taking this one apart. So it's happy days. So they're breaking down the old one. And we'll be putting down the new one. Oh, I got one section of it. How about that? Isn't just amazing? I am gonna be so happy with this. Look how tall this bed is. It's got some height to it. My goodness.
And there's no way we could lower it either. And the only thing you can do is go higher.
Well, here's our bed. It was supposed to came with sheets, but the sheets didn't come, and my husband's pillow didn't come. They say they're gonna send that FedEx, so gotta wait on it. Anyhow, well, we got this much. Okay, well, we got the new bed ready. Got it set up. Isn't it nice? Oh, I'm so happy to have the new bed up. Very happy. Very happy, very happy. Yes. All right. Now all I gotta do is get the area rugs put down. But I got to find out which ones I want. So I got to order them. Anyway, that's all for now. Okay, y'all. Here it is with the new sheets. Aren't they nice? And they are so soft. Oh, they feel so good. So, got new sheets with it. Got them on. And oh, anyway, the bed feels awesome. So glad we got this done. Now all I got to do is get the rugs, and that will be good. I have to have a step stool to get up because the bed's so high, but it is wonderful. So anyway, I brought y'all along, and oh, guess what? It rained last night and today, so we got some rain, and I am so thankful for that. But anyway, I love y'all. I hope y'all have enjoyed this, and don't forget to hit the like and share, and God bless y'all. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and the ones that have subscribed, thank you so much. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. Love you. Mwah.